Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix please check your connection and try again on Snapchat. So guys, it's appear when you're trying to log in your account. So guys, for fixing this, what you have to do is just go back to your home screen, and after that what you have to do is just open your Play Store and search for Snapchat, and from here confirm that you are using your latest version of Snapchat. So guys, after that what you have to do is just go back again, and what you have to do is just hold your Snapchat for 5 seconds, and from here what you have to do is just tap on app info. So guys, from here what you have to do is just simply tap on storage and cache. So guys, from here what you have to do is just simply tap on clear cache and clear storage, and then tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is just go back and tap on permissions and give all the permissions from here. So guys, go back. After doing this, what we have to do is just simply tap on mobile and Wi-Fi. So guys, from here what you have to do is just simply turn the toggle on if it's off. So guys, after doing this, what you have to do again, open settings app, again tap on app management, again tap on here, then search for Snapchat, and here you can see 4 stops, so tap on this, then tap on OK. So guys, after doing these all steps, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.